memory allocation for C Sharp program. So in this C Sharp program, what I created here, I console application, and I'm printing this memory allocation demo on the console screen. And this is the method, my method, which I created here and given the call to the line number 9. And we are going to see how the memory is going to allocate for this my method. Okay, one more class I have created, and for this class, this is the object which is created at line number 15. So for this simple C Sharp program, we are going to see how the memory allocation is going to happen. So now let's build it, and I'm going to put a marker on this line number 12 because I want to see line by line how the program is going to execute. So run this application. Okay, now we will execute this code line by line. Okay, so I'm going to press F10 and want to see how this is going to execute. So it is executing. First of all, it will go and it will assign an integer I equals to 10. So once this is integer I equals to 10, so this is a local variable. This is a variable which is created in the scope of this method, and this is going to be a store at the stack of the memory. So whenever I'm calling this memory, where it is going to store, it's always a RAM. So once this I equals to 10 is executed, then I'm again pressing F10, and then this is a double D. Stack top pointer is moving to the next pointer and going to store value, a double value which I allocated to this D variable, which is going to store to the next memory location. So it is incrementing towards the top side. So stack top is going to increment and it is going to store this value D equals to 1 2 3. Again I'm pressing F10, and it will go to the next line where I have created the object of my class. So for this object also, reference is going to store to this stack memory, and memory for this object is going to be allocated to the dynamically, that is inside the heap memory. Once this cursor hitting to this line number 16, that is the scope of this method is going to finish here. The line number 16, the scope of this method is going to finish. I press F10 for this. Once I press F10 and I'm going to execute this line number 16, then all memory allocation, which is for the integer, then this double and this for this object creation, is going to be freeze. But one more important things here, it is going to clear memory from stack, but the object which is allocated, the memory allocated for this object, my class, is not going to clear because this object memory is allocated inside a heap. Only this pointer memory, the reference which is created for this object, is going to be clear, but not from the heap, because the heap memory is managed by the garbage collector GC.